By the end of this video, you will know how to add a new admin with limited permissions in Gusto. Start from your Gusto account home screen, look to the bottom left corner, and click your company profile. This opens the account options where company settings and access controls are managed. Under Settings, select Permissions to move into the area where roles and access levels are configured. On the Permissions page, choose the option to add a role. This takes you to the role setup screen. Under Role Type, select Limited Admin. This role is used when someone needs admin access for certain parts of the account, but not full control across everything. Once Limited Admin is selected, go through each available permission category and set the access level that fits the role you want to create. Depending on the category, the choices may include No Access, View Only, Edit Access, or Full Access. Read each category carefully and match the permission to what that person should be able to see or change. As you continue, configure access for areas such as benefits, bill pay, HR resources, invoicing, integrations, team members, and time and attendance. Some organizations give view access in one section and edit access in another, so make sure each area reflects the scope you want this admin to have. If a section is not relevant to the role, leave it at the level that fits your needs before moving on. After all permissions are set, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Continue. You will then be asked who this role is for. Under Select who this role is for, choose Team Member if the new admin is already part of your Gusto organization. Choose Not a Team Member if they are not currently included as a team member in the organization. Next, select the person who should receive the limited admin role, or enter their information if they are not already listed. Make sure you choose the correct person before moving forward, especially if there are similar names or multiple records in the account. When that selection is in place, click Continue. On the Review page, take a moment to check the role definition, the selected team member, the scope, and all assigned permissions. This is the final confirmation screen, so review each section closely to make sure the access levels match what you intended to assign. If everything looks correct, scroll to the bottom and click Save Role. The limited admin role will then be created and assigned to the person you selected. Thanks for watching. The new limited admin role is now added in Gusto with the permissions you assigned.